guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have an Orly box. It's the spring collection. These are Colorpass boxes. They are about $36 a month if you buy them by the year, though you can save a little bit. There will be a link in the description if you want to get signed up. You get 6 polishes plus some bonus items. Really great deal. Orly is my favorite brand of nail polish. They are really high quality stuff. So definitely check it out. But let's open this box, let's see what's in here, and let's do some nails. Alright, so when you open the box, we've got this paper. Let's take it out. And then we have the card. Generally, every box comes with a card, and the card gives you a little information about what's in it. So we've got the colors. We have these little nail art tutorials. That's actually pretty cute. Looks like we're getting a matte top coat and some stickers as our bonus items. And then here's the other side of the card, also to show you the bottles. Alright, and so here's the little sticker sheet. Looks like it's got some shells and some bubbles, some stars, and some little mermaids. In fact, they are upside down. There's the little mermaids. Can you see them? How cute are they? And then we've got the Orly matte top coat. I really love when they give us staple items like this because this is something that I use a lot of. And then the thing we all came here for, the box. So we have the Aqua Aura 6-piece lacquer collection. Here is the back side. It looks like it's mostly shimmers with a one cream. That one might be just the slightest bit not cream, but it also could be a cream. I'll have to inspect further. It says, float along golden waves with 6 new shades inspired by gentle waters. Dappling sun creates a ripple effect across the shimmering palette, bringing life to the season. Fresh blues and teals are met with wistful pinks and a sea spray of golden hues. This spring, gaze at the wistful water lilies and dance barefoot in the morning dew. That sounds fantastic, right? Let's open it. So here are our polishes. We have this beautiful shimmery green, blue, pink. This one's more of a coral and orange, and then this one's kind of a pearly white. Let's open them and we'll make swatches. I don't know if this was always on the box because I've never really looked right there, but just in case you're wondering, Orly is vegan, cruelty-free, formulated without harmful chemicals, and made in the USA. Alright, so the first one we're gonna look at is the green shade. It is called Morning Dew. Look how pretty that is. Definitely recommend doing 2 coats as needed. Sometimes you can get away with 1, but 2 is the recommendation. I love that. It is such a beautiful finish. Next we have this beautiful blue. It's got a bit of a purple shimmer in there. Can you see it? This one is called Ripple Effect. This one is actually a similar shade of blue to an Orly polish I already have. I believe I got the similar shade of blue in the fall collection. Is that when the mystery was? I'm not really sure. I'll have to look at it. But if you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. Next, we have this pink. It's called Sea Blossom. Yep, this is the cream of the collection. It is not pearly and shimmery like the others. However, it does have a really smooth and beautiful finish. I definitely love their creams. Next, we've got this corally shade. This one is called Wistful Water Lily. Oh yeah, look at that blue. It has a blue shimmer in it. It's a bit of a sheer. This one's definitely going to be a 2-coater, or if you like a sheer polish, you can do it that way as well. It could even be used as a topper to change the color of the one you're using underneath it. But I really love that color combination. That's so pretty. Look at that. Now we've got this orange shade. This one is called Golden Waves. There we go. Yes, how beautiful is that? You know what? This one I think is going to be a dual purpose shade because this would also look really great in the fall time. It's got that goldeny browny hue to it, and it just kind of glows from within. It's so beautiful. And then last but certainly not least, we've got this pearly white. It's Sea Spray. Oh, look at that. And the shimmer in this one is a bit of a gold. How beautiful. I like that. I'm definitely going to incorporate this one today. Which other ones? It's going to be so hard to choose. So these are the shades that we have in the Aqua Aura collection for spring 2024. I hope my face isn't covering up any of these. I know that it often does. Let me scoot them down. So we're going to do some mermaid nails because this is screaming mermaid to me. Definitely using this pearly white. I think I also want to use this pinky coral, and then this green I really want to get worked in here somehow as well. I kind of like what they've done here with it being a bit of a smattering, so I may go that route and just kind of get it on there on some of them, and then maybe do some of them as solids as well. We'll figure it out as we go, but let's go do some nails. Okay, I'm ready to start painting. We're gonna use these three, and then I have got these stickers that I actually want to incorporate, as well as some little decorations and stuff. It's gonna be cute. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of do the splotchy thing on all of these except this one, because this nail is gonna be pretty much totally a gem nail, and so I'm just gonna put the pearl one underneath that. So let's get started. I'm gonna go through this part pretty quickly in speed mode, but you can observe. Alright, so we'll give that a moment to dry, and then we'll come back and check in on it. Alright, so that's been drying a moment, and I did go in and do a second layer so that it's got some opacity, and it is definitely okay if they overlap. That gives you a little bit of more muddle. If you want it to be seamless, you can put them on a sponge and dab them on, which is also cool, but I think I like this little watercolory effect. We're gonna go in with the Polish Shield, also from Orly. This is a quick drying top coat, and also it is for longevity. It gives it a bit of a hard shell. So we're gonna put this on to help it dry down so that we can get to the decorating. Now remember, top coats are a solvent, and so you want to be careful not to put too many swipes, because it is going to melt your polishes a little bit. That's how it helps them become smooth. And if you just swipe and swipe and swipe, you're gonna start to wipe up your polish that you've already put down. You definitely want to use a water-based top coat if you have nail art that you're trying to protect before you go in with a quick drying top coat like this one. And make sure you're cleaning up your cuticles as you go. It's a lot easier to wipe it off when it is still wet than it is to wait for it to dry and have to scrub it off. Don't worry about it being thick. Nail polish thins as it dries down. You do have to kind of be careful with your hand for the first 24 hours because it can take that long to fully cure and harden all the way through, and so it can get dense and smudges in the meantime. So just keep a delicate watch on your hand. Don't be banging it into stuff and ramming it into things. But while this looks thick, when it dries, it's gonna get paper thin, which is one of my favorite things. I hate a thick polish. So we'll let this dry a bit too. All right, these are dry enough to work on. So we're gonna go in with 4 rhinestones only from China Glaze. I really wish Orly would make a product like this because I would absolutely buy it. This stuff is so good. Like, it does take a little time to dry because it is like a top coat. It's an air dry product. But if you use it correctly and you get it on there, like, this stuff really sticks your stones and decorations down. But first, before we start sticking the textures on, let's put some of these stickers, which they are a little bit 3D as well, but we'll be able to put things on top of them if we need to. First, I'm gonna grab this mermaid. And then we're gonna put her over here, kind of centered on this nail. Boy, it sticks good. And you will want to always seal in your stickers as well. You don't want to put them on and then not put anything on top of them because they can eventually peel up. Isn't she cute? And I'm going to put some other little sea decorations as well. Alright, so let's work on decorating this nail now. And we'll circle back to the others. So I'm going to put some of my 4 rhinestones only on a palette, and I'm going to use this little brush to transfer it over bit by bit. You don't want to paint the whole nail with it because it's going to dry. And so you want to just use it a little bit at a time, just in the amounts that you need. So let's start by putting us a starfish on there. How cute is that? And then we're also gonna put a little shell as well. And then we're gonna go in around these items and put some rhinestones and some little pearly things and get it real cute looking. All right, so that is that middle one. What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. All right, let's get the rest of these guys decorated up. I'm not sure if I want to put anything on this one yet, so I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna put a little bit of something on here and then a little something on here. That's cute, right? Yeah, I like that. That's nice. I feel like over here needs something though. Maybe just like in the middle, but like, or right underneath these. What do you think? That's pretty cute, right? What do you think? Looking good for mermaid nails, huh? I agree. Let's let this dry a moment. Okay, so I think that's pretty cute. I am gonna get you some photos. I don't know if they're gonna be outside. As you guys may know, it is winter and it is frozen outside, but I do have a photo box if I need to use it. But let me show you these. They're very, very cute. Definitely make sure your nail polish is completely dry before you put stickers on. Otherwise, the edges tend to curl and you have to keep pushing them down. And so I will have to monitor these, and then when they're super dry, I'll go around the edges and crisp everything up a little bit. And then I did go ahead and do my thumbnail as well for a reel. Definitely make sure you're following my Instagram, my TikTok, my threads, all that good stuff, so that you can see all of the content and catch any giveaways or surprises that may not make it into full videos. But what do you think? Do you like these colors? Do you like this Orly collection? Do you get the Colorpass, or do you want to? Again, link in the description if you do want to get signed up. It's quarterly, so it's just 4 times a year. It is not overwhelming, and these are really beautiful products. Definitely let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the nails that I did. I know it's a little early for summery nails, and this to me is summer, but this is the spring collection, and I am going to wear the crap out of these nails because they are so cute. But that's it. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.